back or to my channel. I know it's been a minute, but I'm coming easy today with just a little weekend pack with me video because I will be going away for a little weekend trip, and I thought I would share me packing because I know you guys love these pack with me videos. So why not do another one, even though it's a quick little getaway just for the weekend. And I just wanted to share a new item that I actually received from the brand Level 8, who is actually sponsoring this video. They were kind enough to send me one of their luggage items to share with you guys, especially if you guys are traveling for this holiday season. I thought I would share something that will definitely help you to pack and make your life simpler. Level 8 has some great modern and minimalist items. If you're not someone that likes a lot of, like colorful and too much going on with your luggage, they are definitely the brand for you. Their brand reflects the quality of their product, such as being sleek, purposeful, and composed. And they really offer high-end quality at affordable prices. They also offer award-winning luggage, and their Voyager collection is a Newsweek Reader's Choice Award winner. Almost all of their luggage items have 360 wheels, so it's easy for you to go in and out of the airport. If you're running for a flight in the airport and you're trying to get there on time, and you don't have those two little wheels that are making it hard for you to go, or even having those big bag carry-ons that, it's just hurting your shoulder as you're trying to run through the airport. You have that 360 wheels that you could just, roll as you glide through the airport to make it more efficient and easy for you to go through your travel day. They also have TSA approved locks, which are also hassle-free, so you don't have to worry about, opening your luggage. TSA can handle all of that with the Level 8 luggages. They have smart interior organization for efficient packing and access. Level 8 has been a globally trusted brand, loved by tens of thousands of travelers worldwide. They also do free shipping to US, Canada, and Europe. Also fast delivery, which we all love, from about 3 to 7 business days. And they also have great customer service if you need any of their support regarding any of their items. And even better, all their luggage comes with a lifetime warranty, so you can be stress-free about worrying about any issues. But I'm sure that their items are great because so far I have been loving what they have sent me. Haven't used it yet, but I could just tell like the quality is so great. So let's jump into the item that they sent me. This is the Luminous Textured Carry-On 20-inch, and this is in the color white. I've been needing a carry-on luggage for so long, and my larger checked bag is actually white, so I was so happy that they were able to send me this one. And as you can see at the top, it does have the TSA, lock, and you could put a little code in, which is great to keep your stuff safe. You also have the handle that you can easily grab to, throw on the conveyor belt and stuff, when you're going through TSA. And you have the easy pull-up bar, so you could just glide through the airport easy and efficiently. And then on the bottom, you have those 360 wheels, which are great, quality. I feel like they're very durable, as is the entire suitcase. It is that hard shell, so, it won't get super busted up or anything. I'm not really a fan of the light, soft kind of luggages, but I love myself a hard shell case, so that is great. You have multiple sections, so you have this main compartment when you open it up, and you just have this inside lining that you can, either zipper open to put more stuff in or close it up, which I love. And then I love that this side you have more compartments that you can put other little necessities, and then you open it up bigger again where you could fit more clothing items. So I'm excited to pack this up and share with you guys how well it works, because I've never been a carry-on type of girl, and even though I'm not flying for this little weekend getaway, I still just want to see how I can work with it because I am an overpacker. So yeah, we'll see if I'm up for the challenge. So let's get to packing. So guys, as you saw, I am all packed up. I was surprised that I was able to fit like what I actually needed. I guess because I'm just doing like a lot of layering, so I didn't have too many shirts and I'm not really wearing any sweaters. I'll just have like my coat, which I'll be wearing. I'm wearing Uggs that I'll also be wearing like as I'm traveling, so I don't have to worry about those items, but I'm sure I still have space to fit a lot more in there. And as I'm like I said, like as I'm zipping it up, I feel like it's very durable, and the case just feels like so, yeah, like just durable and safe. And I don't feel like if I were going to the airport that it would be like banging around everywhere and just getting dented or anything like other suitcases that I've had before. So I'm really excited to try this out, and I cannot wait to try it like on an actual flight, because I think I'm gonna challenge myself to start using a carry-on more. Because it's level 8 like carry-on is like so nice. Like I love the color and everything. The durability of it feels so well. The ease of it, the 360 movement of it, and I love that it has a TSA lock, because that's something that I'm always like looking for with luggages. Even though I'm usually, you know, safe with my luggage and stuff, but just in case, you know, if you leave it in a hotel or something, I'm not usually someone that puts a lot of my clothing away in hotels, and I like to keep my valuables in my suitcase. So having that like, you know, number lock on there makes it a lot, you know, more secure. It makes me feel more secure in having my items and valuables in there. So yeah, I'm so grateful that Level 8 was able to partner with me in this video. We do have a code because it is the Black Friday sales, so I'm hoping that you guys can snag something, especially for a gift. It would be a great gift for this upcoming holiday season if you guys celebrate, and just a gift in general if anyone for their birthday, you know, loves to travel, those travelers out there that you know. I feel like Level 8's items are so great. Their website has tons of different options for you guys. I personally have been loving this carry-on since I've gotten it, and just been looking at it and stuff and just checking out all the details of it. And I think it's a great item and so luxurious again and durable for their price points. Like it's just so nice. You can definitely click the link in my bio so you can definitely shop their items. But again, I want to thank them so much for sending me this carry-on, and I cannot wait to use it for future trips. So definitely stay tuned for more pack with me's. But yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and I will see you guys in my next one. Bye.